You smell bacon.
I do smell bacon.
It does smell good. Hello everyone, my name is Steve Carpenter. I'm the founder and CEO of Cake.
Hi, I'm Sven VP of Engineering here at Cake.
Today's Friday, October 3rd. You're watching the
Slice.
official video show of Cake Financial. So Cake Financial is the leading investment website that allows you to see all your portfolios in one place. We calculate all your performance metrics for you. So if you want to see how you're doing in real time, link your accounts to Cake, and then we give you all this great stuff.
And not just how you're doing, you can compare yourself to all the others out there.
So what we do here on The Slice is we wrap up the week's activity on Cake to give you investing ideas so you know what to do in this market.
And what a week it's been.
So we get deluged with people that write in. Like, love The Slice, this is the best thing ever.
Tuesdays are really hard for me because there's still 4 days left to go till the Slice.
Sven is so good looking. Steve, how do you deal with it on a daily basis? Things like that. So this week, our best letter was by Mad Marv.
Mad Marv?
Yeah. But I want to read it, and we're going to address each of these because I think he brings up a lot of valid points.
Okay.
So one, I think this is the most interesting format that I've ever seen in the world.
Really?
Yeah. But there are a few things that I'd like to improve.
Okay,
Some
what
suggestions. One, stop pronouncing the ticker symbols like words. It makes you look like a noob. This is kind of like our thing, Mad Marv. We read symbols because it's funny.
It is pretty funny.
Just lighten up, Mad Marv.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, put the side cameras on tripods. All that shaking makes me nauseous.
Okay, you guys, get more stable.
Yep. And then three, that desk is unnecessarily cluttered. But what we have here, Lindsay Campbell, jelly bean, so speak to the collective wisdom, and a trophy. Because you never get trophies anymore when you grow up, right?
No, you don't.
So none of that stuff is going. And then the last question he has is, it's a really specific question. If Buffett is buying preferreds with 10% yields and in the money warrants, does this imply that common is overvalued, or does Buffett get a premium for being involved?
I think it says that Buffett gets what he wants when he does a big deal.
Buffett
Money talks.
Buffett gets a premium because his money seeks and spells credibility. So Sven, each week we look at the top takes, which are the stocks being bought by our good investors in mass.
That's
so we
right.
get insights based on what everyone else is doing.
So the market is doing whatever it's doing, really crazy right now. What are the smart guys really buying?
Is it time for gold? Is it time for international exposure? Do I run out and buy a gun? We don't know, but everyone else does.
Okay.
And that's what we do. Moving on. So the first top take today.
TIVO? You pulled it off too quickly.
What a friggin' cheater. TIVO. And the funny thing is, Mad Marv, TIVO is a symbol. It's like onomatopoeia for symbols.
Yeah, if you read the symbol, it sounds
exactly like the company.
TIVO.
Anyway, you know what TIVO does, right?
They do little boxes that record things.
It's a DVR.
DVR.
Right?
Why are people buying TiVo, Steve? TiVo is like everyone is buying DVR stuff now through their TV provider.
TIVO is going to be in there. That's why. This stock is recession-proof. It's been up 5% over the last 12 months. Don't look. Seriously, it ruins the whole thing. People are just going to start turning off. Okay. Sven?
Yes.
Osh.
Osh.
Oshkosh Corp.
Oshkosh?
Yeah? What do you think they do?
They do children's clothing in Wisconsin.
Absolutely not.
No.
That's Oshkosh Bagosh.
Bagosh. Oh,
Right.
crap.
Heavy-duty trucks that carry missiles and fight fighters.
Ooh, where do you buy those?
Not at Gymboree. These guys were just awarded a $180 million contract by U.S. Marine Corps.
Sylvester Stallone fans, here's your company to buy.
Right. If you or somebody you love loves Rambo, this Oshkosh is
First Blood.
That's right. First Blood. Sven, Hidden Gems. You know what we do in Hidden Gems? We look for the highest performing stocks held by our top performers, but not en masse. These are like little secrets. Sven, our first hidden gem?
Okay.
SPF.
SPF.
Standard Pacific Corp.
Standard Pacific.
Yeah, you know what these guys are? They're not in the top 10, they're the 11th.
The 11th?
Largest home builder in the United States.
So okay, so they build houses, big houses for Americans to fit in.
I don't know if they're big, and I don't know. Are you implying that Americans are big and they need big houses?
Average house home size here is rather large. That's all I'm saying.
It's a big footprint, isn't it?
That's right. I think the interesting part though is that anything that's lost so much value over the last couple of years, anything going down so much that we still need going forward, there is some value there, and the question is just when it's going to rebound.
So this stock is down 80% over the past 2 years. But guess what happened in the last 30 days? When the markets were tanking, up 60%. Sven, another hidden gem. SMN. Ultra short basic materials pro shares. What I love about these pro shares is they let you short the market, right? So this seeks
ultra
to
short.
return twice the inverse of the daily performance of the Dow Jones US Basic Materials Index. So these guys invest in like chemicals and paper and forestry and metals and mining.
And I know that basic materials over the last couple of months has not done so well.
Guess how much this has gone up in the past 30 days?
Up 50%, how's that?
Up 56%. You're a
56.
market genius. All right, everyone, thanks for watching The Slice. Check us out here every Friday where you get the genius opinions of Sven, Cliff Clave, and Junkegård, and myself, Steve Carpenter, and all the wisdom that you can get from the... You didn't like that? Thanks, everyone, for watching. We'll check you out next week. Booyah.